Hello once again, my viewers, and I want to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and watching me. Okay, so I wanted to share with you a repurposed plastic jar. This is a mayonnaise jar. It's plastic. I'm not sure exactly these are water stains inside, but I'm not sure what size it is. It's more than 36 ounces, that's for sure. Okay, what is this? I know you have seen those spill-proof paintbrush jars for little kids. It has like it looks like this, like a cap, and then it looks like a funnel going in, and if they spill it, the water doesn't go everywhere. Okay, well, I wanted to create something like that for myself because I didn't want to go and purchase them because it's the cover is so small that only one paintbrush fits, and I wanted to put more than one paintbrush in here because I use more than one paintbrush at a time. So I wanted to do something like that. So I was looking at the jar and I said, okay, let me try it. So I haven't put water in it yet. So, oh, sorry, I didn't put water in it yet. So I'm going to do it on film right now while I'm recording. So what I did was I put a few stickers that I had on it to decorate it. And it looks kind of matty, like matte look, and it's because I use Mod Podge, and it says matte meat. It's water-based sealer, glue, and finish. So I bought that at the Dollar Tree because I wanted to try it before I go and spend this here cost to me $15. So I didn't want to spend it, and if I didn't like it, so I saw it and I took advantage of it and I said, let me get it, it's only $1, and it worked. So what this does is if I put this underneath the faucet to wash it, the stickers won't come out because it's water-based, it's waterproof. Okay, then what I did was I have a butter knife that I use for melting things away, and I melted a hole in here. So beware, children, don't go doing this without your parents' permission, okay? So I did a hole. There's different ways that you can make it. You can use the soldering iron, the wood one. You can use that wood burning tool. You can use almost anything to make a hole here. But that was convenient to me the way I did it, and I've been doing this stuff for years. So anyway, so this, see, I put my brush in there and it sits in there. I don't know if it'll spill, but in front of you, I want to try it. So I got some water, and of course I'm not going to fill it up all the way because you really don't need much water. You just need enough water to wet your brush. See? Water. Okay. That's all. Just to clean it. You don't have to fill it up all the way. So I'm doing this in front of you. I have not done it before. So if I spill it, unless I knock it over, it's not going to splash. It's going to splash everywhere if I just knock it over. But I mean, if it tilts over or something, see, it doesn't spill because it's being held here. So, and for the amount of water that you're putting in, it's really isn't much. I kind of just filled it up to here. So anyway, so there you go. Now it holds my brushes, my really awesome long brushes that I use for my decoupage and everything else. Anyway, I repurposed this jar. So I just wanted to show you this neat DIY, what is it? DIY, do it yourself. I don't know. DIY. There we go. Do it yourself. Oh my goodness. It's 11:30 at night, so I'm tired. But I really wanted to bring this video to you, and how I created this. So, hey, go experiment. Go explore and go make it. That's what I would say. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.